He CZMA issued NOC to the casinos. आता earlier तीनची NOC लागून असली पण आमचा RTI ऍक्टिव्हिस्ट बाब काशीनाथ शेट्टीन एनजीटीन घालून एनजीटीन ऑर्डर पास केली की they have to take, because it is not like other vessels, it is stationary and therefore it is polluting in a particular place. On this basis, casino lobby गेल्या सुप्रीम कोर्टाने आणि स्टे आणली आणि तो मॅटर 23 तारखेला जुलैचे असा बोर्डात याचा नाही तर पाणी बोर्ड आता स्टे असताना तरी काझिनो लॉबी काझिनोनी प्रपोज केलं की आमका एनओसी दिली त्यात गेल्या तेंच्यांनी स्टे हाडला आणि आता तेंच्यांनी मिटिंगेन अशें थारले की तिका डॉक्युमेंट घेतल्याशिवाय सगळे EI ऑल प्रोसिजर्स केल्याशिवाय आम्ही तुमकां एनओसी दिना बरोबर आता 339th मिटिंग ज्या एप्रिलान जाली थंय ते अशें पळयता GCZMA now received documents from all the concerned proponents as directed by GCZMA. However, none of the project proponents have not submitted EIA report. EIA report is the most important report of all the documents. And they say they have submitted documents. What document they are not saying. They are not mentioning what is the document. Secondly, they have not had a site inspection on this. Nowhere it is mentioned. I'm talking about minutes, huh? I'm not talking about my own. And at the end of the day, the authority, after detailed discussion, decided to grant in principle approval, and after submission of EIA report, final NOC will be granted. आता याचा अर्थ कितें म्हाका समजना तूं एनओसी दिल्यार चलोवपाक without the EIA report and you are saying after the EIA report you will get the final NOC. This same CZMA जी आसा आमच्या गोंयकारांक कोस्टल एरियाचेर रावतात चड करून गरीब लोक आमचे वर्सा पिणकेच्यो पिणक्यो दडेर रावन किनारेचेर रावन पोटां भुल्लीन धाकटी धाकटी घरां घेवन तेंचे जर रेनोवेशन करपाचें आसा जाल्यार तिका स्वताच रावता आनी केन्नाच आमी आयकूंक ना की गोंयकार तेंच्यान इन प्रिन्सिपल दे गिव प्रोविजनल एनओसी म्हणजे तूं पोल्युशन स्टार्ट कर व्हॉट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ प्रोविजन देर इज नो रूल अंडर द GCZMA to grant provisional NOC. So first, in the earlier meetings, they say unless we get all this, we will not grant you NOC. Then they say documents have been produced. What documents? The main document is the EIA, and that is not submitted. And they submit करून असताना provisional report. In principle approval. अरे व्हॉट इज दिस इन प्रिन्सिपल अप्रुव्हल म्हाका अजून पासून म्हणजे पयले तेंच्यांनी कितें केलें आमी दिवचे ना अनलेस एवरीथिंग इज ओवर आनी मागीर तुमी दिता म्हणजे कितें जालां आतां समथींग एज एक्सचेंज न्हू बट तुमी एक्सचेंज कर गोंयकारांक कितले स्वता येतात म्हाका सांग एक आता EIA. Now who prepares the EIA? The EIA is prepared by an agency appointed by the casino itself. So EIA will be prepared, tailored to their needs. Therefore, again we demand that the Coastal Regulation Zone Management Authority be immediately dissolved. And if it is not dissolved, that means the Goa Chief Minister and the Environment Minister have got benefits in it. Tomorrow, there is a Madhe Safe chain in the AMC appeals Well, we were the pioneers on this Made issue. If you all remember, the first agitation we took on Azhar Mehna was TMC party. And we appeal tomorrow for people to join in large numbers. Because Made is a lifeline. Just as a mother's milk is necessary for a child to survive, in the same way, Made's water is required for the goans to survive.